I'm Megan Knight, and today we are unboxing our Ram Concept 10.5. We'll show you guys what's in the box, how it's packaged, and ultimately how this Ram Concept 10.5 goes on our flywheel. All right, here we go. So the first thing you'll notice is our instruction sheet, and on top is our solid disc. And then underneath this very nice packaging, we get to the clutch. We've got our alignment tool and two different bolt sets so that you can mount this to a variety of different flywheels. And now we've got the clutch itself. So this will come bolted to the segments. We can take these segments off. Okay. Now we've got our pressure plate, sprung disc, and finally our strap-driven floater plate. Okay, now that we know what's in the box, let's show you guys how it goes on the flywheel. Okay, we've got our Ram billet aluminum flywheel here, and the first thing we're going to do is take our solid bottom disc, that on the flywheel. Now if we were putting this on the motor, we would need to use an alignment tool to align everything. So I'm going to drop our Ram billet alignment tool in. Next we've got our strap-driven floater plate and segments. Now these segments have three 11-inch patterns on them, and you can use our instruction sheet, which has some color-coded instructions, to ensure you're on the right pattern. And then we're going to bolt those down with our 10mm bolts. And before we move on, you want to make sure that this bottom disc is able to move. If it's not, you need to go back and start over. Then we'll take our top sprung disc, slide that on, and our pressure plate. Put these on the dowel pins on the segment to ensure they're in the right place. Secure that down, and then you'll be ready to bolt it together. So that's it. That's everything in our Concept 10.5. If you guys would like some more information, please feel free to reach out or check the link out below in the description.